One of the most loved and versatile sexual positions, doggy style, is more than meets the eye. While it may seem like a straightforward, exciting option that precedes itself, there's a lot more to this position than what it seems at first glance. From its physical benefits to creative variations, there are many secrets about doggy style that will spice up your intimate moments. Let's take a look at 7 interesting aspects of this iconic position in detail. 1. Deeper penetration for increased sensations. One of the defining advantages of doggy style is that it tends to provide a deeper penetration than most sexual positions. This enhances pleasure for both partners, especially if the individual desires deep sensations. The deeper angle also provides stimulation to parts that often remain unpenetrated in shallower angles. However, great depth does not come without a cost, as this may be painful for some individuals. Communication and attentiveness must therefore prevail in order for the parties involved to maintain their comfort and connectedness. 2. Optimized G-spot stimulation. Doggy style isn't just about depth, it's also about angles. The forward tilt of the receiving partner's hips creates the perfect trajectory for stimulating the G-spot, a sensitive area located about 2 to 3 inches inside the vaginal wall. This makes the position particularly satisfying for those who experience G-spot pleasure. For added stimulation, partners can experiment with subtle movements or adjust their angles to maximize contact with this erogenous zone. 3. Versatile variations for every mood. What many don't realize is that doggy style isn't a one-size-fits-all position. Its variations make it adaptable for different moods, settings, and levels of comfort. Standing doggy. Perfect for spontaneous moments, where one partner bends over a surface like a table or counter. Spooning doggy. Ideal for a more relaxed and intimate experience. This variation involves lying on the side while maintaining the angle of penetration. Elevated doggy. Insert some pillows to give the hip area for receiving a whole different angle. Reverse doggy. One unique twist because the penetrator lies back with the receiver face forwards and places themselves at the top position. Thus, all of these is to provide variations in applying doggy styles according to individual desire, as well as creative application. 4. Enhance anal play. Doggy style is one of the most accessible positions for couples who wish to experiment with anal penetration because it provides control and communication. The angle allows for monitoring of depth and speed by the penetrating partner and allows the receiving partner to guide the experience. The position is comfortable and adaptable for beginners, while more advanced couples enjoy the precision and variety that it brings to their exploration of anal. 5. A feast for the eyes. Besides bodily sensation, doggy style provides unique visual stimulation. The thrusting partner gets to see an entire view of their lover's back, hips, and curves that can bring arousal to another level. The receiving partner can even enhance intimacy by turning to see their lover or enjoy being touched by the lover's hands on their body. It makes doggy style both visually stimulating and emotionally connected. 6. Global favorite. Surveys show that doggy style is consistently ranked in the top 3 sexual positions worldwide. This is due to its balance of novelty, adaptability, and deep connection it provides between partners. Whether used to break routine or amplify intimacy, doggy style has secured its place as a staple in bedrooms across cultures and continents. 7. Potential risks and precautions. Though the doggy style is admired for its advantages, it is not risk-free. Deep penetration, at times, causes cervical pain or bruising, especially when the angle is too severe. Also, jerky or jerking movements might strain the back or the hips. Such problems could be avoided by slow, smooth transitions and good communication of the pace and depth to be maintained during the session. Proper support, such as pillows or stable surfaces, can also be complemented to enhance comfort and safety. Conclusion: doggy style is more than a pleasure to indulge in. It is, in fact, a key to open up the realm of intimacy, variety, and exploration. Be it at the discovery level or experience level, it is really an endless way to seek pleasure in life. You can always discover new horizons of connectivity and satisfaction while indulging in this sex position, with proper emphasis on communication and creativity. Doggy style's very versatile nature makes it a staple of your sexual repertoire. You might just discover something new about yourself and your partner.